Now, in the meantime, talk about Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because a movie based on the life and especially the childhood of the Prime Minister is now at the center of a controversy. The Ministry of Education has asked the CBSE, the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti to screen Chalo Jeete Hain. This is a film that is inspired by the childhood of the Prime Minister's early life, and this letter that requests schools to screen this movie from the 16th of September till the 2nd of October, as it will help young learners to reflect on the themes of the character, service and also responsibility. The ministry directive says that the film can also serve as a case study for moral reasoning and will support the goals of developing empathy and inspiration, among other things. Now, the opposition already jumping on the opportunity where the communication that was issued nearly a week ahead of the Prime Minister's birthday, that was yesterday, and has now raised hackles of the opposition, who calls it imposition which is unnecessary.
इस फिल्म को अगर बच्चों को दिखाया जा रहा है, स्कूल में पढ़ने वाले बच्चों को, तो मुझे लगता है इससे गलत असर जाएगा। मैं तो सोचता था कि इस फिल्म के अंदर शायद मगरमच्छ का बच्चा भी कहीं नजर आ जाएगा, जो कहा जाता है कि बचपन में प्रधानमंत्री ने पकड़ा था। लेकिन बचपन में प्रधानमंत्री हर आदमी से एक ही सवाल करते थे कि तुम किसके लिए जी रहे हो। अगर आज बच्चों ने प्रधानमंत्री से ये सवाल पूछ लिया कि आप किसके लिए जीते हैं, तो उन्हें जवाब देना मुश्किल हो जाएगा।
मोदी जी का आई मी एंड माई सेल्फ, खुद के प्रति जो प्यार है, जो नार्सिज्म है, वो खत्म ही नहीं होता। अगर आपकी जीवनी बननी है, उस पर मूवी बननी है, तो लोगों ने प्रेरित होकर वो करना चाहिए। आपकी मूवी वैसे बीच में आई थी, चली क्या? आप तो बटेंगे, हिंदू मुसलमान, कौन क्या खाएगा, कौन क्या नहीं खाएगा, कौन क्या पहनेगा, कौन क्या नहीं पहनेगा, यही दिखता है। एक नफरत दिखती है एक विशिष्ट समुदाय के प्रति। तो ये जो होता है ना कि आपने जो इम्पोज कर रहे हो कि बच्चों को ये दिखाना बहुत जरूरी है, आपको दिखाना ही पड़ेगा, जिस तरह का लेटर इशू किया है सीबीएसई स्कूल्स को, वो यही बताता है कि respect is commanded, not demanded, Modi ji.
Well, respect is commanded, not demanded. Well, that seems to be the point of view of the opposition as far as raising questions of this directive that has now been issued by the Ministry of Education to multiple government schools there. Let's put out more Congress reactions that are now coming in. This is from the Congress MP Manikam Tagore himself, who has also raised questions on this directive that has now been issued to screen the movie based on the childhood of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. October 2nd is Gandhi Jayanti, a day to honor the father of the nation and his fight for truth, non-violence and justice. But Modi government has directed schools to run a film on Modi's childhood till the 2nd of October. What is this bigger insult to Bapu? Instead of screening Gandhi's life, his struggles, his message of Satya and Ahimsa, children are being forced to watch a propaganda film glorifying Modi. This is not education, this is personality cult. Gandhi inspired the world with Khadi, simplicity, salt satyagrah, Quit India movement, vision of communal harmony. These are the values that should rather be shown in classrooms, not as the leader's PR motive. And the Gandhi Jayanti, let's be clear that India needs more of Gandhi's truth, not of Modi's propaganda. More of Bapu's courage, not self-promotion. History belongs to the nation, not to one man. This seems to be as far as when it comes to the opposition point of view. Let's get in a word from Tetri as well. Tetri, good morning. The movie, the screening itself, because we are looking at this fortnight-long pakwada that has now been organized on part of the BJP. As far as this will continue till the 2nd of October, we are looking at multiple initiatives. But it seems that the screening of this movie in government schools seems to have caught the eye of the opposition.
Well, absolutely. Ministry of Education has directed and issued an order to CBSE, Kendriya Vidyalayas and also the Navodaya Vidyalayas to instruct they have instructed the schools, in fact, to screen the film Chalo Jeete Hain. Chalo Jeete Hain is the name of the film, and this film is inspired by childhood incidents of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's life, and it highlights that how a boy, a young kid who used to sell a tea at the railway station has now aspired, has such an high aspirations that he has become the Prime Minister, and how has been his journey, what kind of struggles he had to face. And the screening, as you rightly mentioned, Amita, they are planned from September 16th to October 2, that is still Gandhi Jayanti, but yes, politics has already erupted over it. But as far as the direction from the Education Ministry is concerned, they say that the aim of the film is to help the young minds learn and reflect the themes of character, service and responsibility that is highlighted in this particular film inspired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's childhood. And it will also serve as a case study for moral reasoning and also in fact support the social and emotional aspects, the learning goals of the students, and they highlight that it will support the learning emotional goals and social emotional goals as like empathy,
Yes.
self-reflection, critical thinking and
So
inspiration.
the opposition calls it self-glorification, but on part of this directive that has now been issued by the Ministry of Education, they believe that it will help young learners to reflect on the themes of character, service and responsibility, and the film can also serve as a case study for moral reasoning and supporting goals for social emotional learning, development of empathy and self-reflection. For the moment, thank you very much, Tetri, for joining us here on the broadcast.